And this is all coming as the FDA approved updated COVID vaccines, as well as tightened restrictions on them. What do you make of that?
Well, I don't think that it's a terrible surprise that we've restricted the COVID vaccines. This was something already alluded to by FDA earlier this year, and we saw it with the approval of the updated Moderna shot that happened a couple of months ago. Um, I think the real issue with these restrictions, which I should probably say what they are, that COVID vaccines are generally available to anyone who's 65 years or older. You should definitely get an updated shot. There's a new variant roaming around right now that is causing more severe illness than we've seen in a while. So definitely get your shot. For adult Americans over the age of 12, basically, you do have to have a high risk condition. Although I will say that it's written broadly enough that it probably covers a good deal of the population. But where there's serious concern is that it is pretty severely restricted and going to be harder for young children under the age of 5, to get a COVID vaccine under the new guidelines. And I, this is a serious problem because young children, just like people who are 65 and older, children, especially children under the age of 1 year, are particularly susceptible to COVID. And we do see severe disease at a higher rate among these kids. We see more hospitalization among these kids. And to not allow a vaccine for this age group could potentially lead to more kids getting sick to the point where they have to go to the hospital, and it could lead to more deaths. And I think that is a particularly scary prospect. Now, that said, one interesting question will be that even with these FDA guidelines in place, if there's an FDA approved drug, doctors can prescribe them off label. So, will insurance companies cover an off label shot for kids? Because that is what the American Academy of Pediatrics, for example, recommends happens. Uh, we might see more kids getting shot, but it's a shame that we're going to have to work around official government guidelines to go with the consensus of what doctors believe should be the people getting their updated COVID shots.